I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News. Today is Thursday, July 15th. Here's a look at commodities on the market today. Oil is largely flat in early morning trade, even though a weaker greenback should encourage investors to buy on dips. The Federal Reserve's FOMC meeting released Wednesday suggested that policymakers remain concerned about the persisting softness in the U.S. economy, while China reported GDP growth rising only 10.3% in the second quarter compared to an 11.9% growth rate in the previous quarter. Market players will be monitoring closely the release of the latest U.S. industrial production data later in the day for further clues on economic strength and energy demand. Gold is up amid signs that the growth in the United States and China still remain fragile on the one hand, with the weaker dollar on the other. As of early this morning, Brent crude is largely flat, $76.65 a barrel. Light sweet crude up 0.6%, $77.50 a barrel. Natural gas is 0.1% weaker, $4.03 a million British thermal units. Gold is up 0.6%, $1,214.60 an ounce. Silver up 0.7%, $18.42 an ounce, and copper is up 0.6%, $3.03 a pound. OPEC expects global oil demand to grow at around the same pace in 2011 as this year, with demand particularly strong in China and India. The Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries reported that global oil consumption will increase by 1.05 million barrels a day, or 1.2% in 2011, to average 86.41 million barrels a day. This year, the agency expects demand to rise by 1.1%, or 950,000 barrels a day. BP is trading up over 1% on the New York Stock Exchange as the company said it will begin a pressure test of its Gulf of Mexico Macondo well after fixing a leak that started while it was shutting off oil flow with a new containment cap. In the mining sector, Australia's Tanami Gold NL is looking to raise 63.7 million Australian dollars through a renounceable entitlement issue to existing shareholders to repay debt and to accelerate exploration in the Northern Territory. Shares tumbled over 34% on the Australian Stock Exchange. Aquarius Platinum Limited said operations at its Marikana mine shaft in South Africa were still suspended a week after 5 miners died on the site. There is yet no decision as to when the shaft may be reopened. Shares closed down 2% on the Australian Stock Exchange. I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News. For more news and market analysis, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Trade the Trend. Also visit our website, tradethetrend.com, for more headlines.